Ebitongore nka Organization for Social Support and Saving Communities nibyo bishongwire eminyeto na munonga abakiri mu mashomero kureba ngo bahangaho emirimo eyo kubahereza entasya bakahona ebizu by'obworo no kushabiriza.
You should learn a lot and you go home when you have that skill so that you can also go and make liquid soap and make bar soap and all that and start making money in your holidays, okay?
Gakora sabuni erikuza kutuyamba tukatunga sente za school fees tukayamba n'abaze bitu.
Ehureji erimu okubangura beji bendengo zona omukora sabundi amajuta za kandro ebitabo za choka omukushagika emishomo yabo.
You don't need to touch those requirements, okay? Yes. That's why we are using a stick for steering. Then after putting on all the requirements, there we can touch. There is no problem with it.
What we now want is how you use those skills. Will there anybody who will not have school fees again? No. During the holidays? No. Stop looking after cows only. You also do side work.
Abana bagamba na kutungura ebyobuhangwa ebiromo okurwana sovera no bucupa kandi abantu behanangirizibwe okubyara emiti ero kumara.
So ntugezaho kwegesa abantu kugira ngo bagarureho ebintu by'obuhangwa koratemo muti wa making sure ngo wabyara emiti akiri 10 ero kubasa kuba negarura heje.
Abeegi bashabirwa kushoma ebiniro mugasho no kuhikiriza ebyetago byabo nyensya.
Waha abantu bayenda kuba icyo uri kwenda oshemerire kutandika ezesha.
I begin by appreciating this organization on behalf of our school because you have given us your time and you have taught us very many things like making liquid soap.
Ehureji neza kujanjara omu district zina eziri mu Lyantonde, Ibanda, Kitagwenda hamwe na Kamwenge. Gashakwa Sunday K. William.